Hey, good day everyone. Remember we planted some cauliflower seedlings, but today what I'm seeing and I'm very sad, snails have eaten it from here. We don't have them anymore. They were good about 7 or 8. Only one is left. Rest of them all gone. And today I'm very sad. So today, on the other hand, the one that we planted in the pots, they are all good. Thanks God that I planted some in individual pots too. So what I'm going to do is I have this fabric planter where we have seedlings of cauliflower. I'll ask Khan Bhai to, instead of planting them on the ground, plant them in these individual pots again. So I'm going to show you how we plant it, and I'll keep this one here. Let's see how it turns out. I will show you in the next video.